Hello, Aidan and Shaw. Aidan here, and Tom and Shaw can touch back will shiv se able to run all gula harint. I'm here to show you guys that you can all draw something sort of Christmassy. So we will be drawing an elf together. So not in Dermot, Nilse Jacker, Cullen Shifra harint. It's not hard to draw an elf, Shifra. Um, it just every day we draw circles, we write words, we're all able to draw. So Big Gawkward came, everything will be step by step. Don't worry about getting it perfect. What I do won't be perfect, so you don't worry about it either. Everyone knows. We're going to just carry on. So I'm going to just draw a circle right in the middle of the page, and then I'm going to do a C here. Unshin, then Kirkalal and Shaw. Agus Kirkalal and Shaw. And I'm going to sort of cheat. I'm going to just fill that. You can color it in. You don't have to. If you want to get very fancy altogether, you could do something like this. Do 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 do. You don't have to do that. I don't know why I did that. Shin Karkador. Shron, Iska. We could give a nice little nose. You can draw a nose several different ways. You can do it that way. Agus den lína síos mar sin. Let's trace number sin. And we give a nice little happy smile. Manga colour shot. Maybe open the mouth. Give some teeth. Agus fiacla an seo. You can even, don't have room to put a tongue in, but you can even just show the mouth is open like that. Now, anseo den spotta. Ashin te amach isteach agus tishius agus us. Now you can make this a boy or a girl, or you can change the features. We're just going to just add some long hair. Unshin te shias marshin, shias, sus. And then put a nice eyebrow there, eyebrow there. You can go up, and we can draw a line going across here. Fech, trasna marshin. I'll go stop and chin. Now we could either just go across the other side, but what I like to do is I like to add some hair down here. Now, I might be going a little fast, but you can always press pause. No den dermid and knappa salsa. And then hat goes down like this, and up like that, and then we've got a hat. Do 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 do. Unshin tishis machine, sus machine, tressa. Now, I'm going to do this. No, will I? Won't I? Will I? Won't I? I will. I'm just going to do something here. You don't have to do it as well, but I'm going to do this. You don't have to change anything. I would like to give a rounder face. Oopsie. I'll give it a little kind of, maybe a little impression that there's a shirt on there. You can give long hair here as well, back there. Just do that. See the ace going off. And then do an arm going out. I'm wearing a Christmassy type jumper. Agus amach marshin isteach, shias, sus, trasna, shades. Unshin, rubber shin, trasna marshin, Agus. Just do the hands, it's just out. I'll do that again. Sorry now. I wasn't thinking. So we did two kind of rectangles and put lines in them. And we call teamach, shias, jach, Maxteach, 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 Éisce. Mach, Suas, Sias. Maxteach, 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 Sias. Okay. Feet. Elves are generally drawn quite small, so Trasna, Sias, 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 Trasna. And we're going to give nice elvy boots. Sias, Trasna, Isteach, Suas. And if you want, you can decorate the jumper. No, like agus tá sin éasca dhéanamh Maxteach, Maxteach, Max. And you can give it a little star up here if you like. That is sin Siofra beag tapa. You can colour it in whatever way you like. So sin or Siofra. Well, tásúil gom go sin ceart go leor agus nula chuna Dave go léir. Happy Christmas to you all. I hope you have a good one. And yeah, be drawn elves.